The eye muscles are the most active muscle in the body, moving over 100,000 times a day. When phone battery is low to last bar, don't answer the call because the radiation is 1,000 times stronger. Sweet potatoes are ranked as the most nutritious of all vegetables. Beer is considered the third most popular drink on earth, after water and tea. If pregnant woman has a organ damage, the baby in her womb sends a stem cells to help in repairing the organ. The bond between a mother and her child is truly amazing. If you listen to music while studying, you can memorize any answer up to 5 times faster than you actually do. The most expensive nail polish costs $250,000. The nail polish is made up of 267 real black diamond carats by company Azature. Cracking your knuckles does not hurt your bones, the sound you hear is just gas bubbles bursting. Based on scientific researches, people who eat spicy food every day have a 14% chances of living longer compared to people who don't. Bees and houseflies flap their wings more than 200 times per second. Reindeers are the only mammals that can see UV light. In earlier time, Chinese people used to call India as Tianzhu, which means heaven. Gas is naturally odorless. The smell is added so people can tell if there's a leak. Millions of trees in the world are accidentally planted by squirrels who bury nuts and then forget where they hid them. Mayflies have the shortest lifespan on Earth. Their life lasts only for 24 hours. Fire has no shadow. Jellyfish have existed for over 650 million years. They have no brain, no heart, and no blood. Cockroaches are so repulsed by humans that if they're touched by a human, not only do they run away but also wash themselves. The albatross is a large bird that can go years without landing. They spend their first 6 years of life flying over the ocean without even touching the ground. The first electric street light in Asia was lit on August 5, 1905 in Bangalore, India. The first non-human to win an Oscar was Mickey Mouse. Kangaroo rats are the animal that never drink water in their entire life. An ant will survive a fall from any height because its terminal velocity can never be high enough to kill it. Barcode scanners scan the white spaces in between, and not actually the black bars. Whenever you get the urge to smoke, lick a little salt with the tip of your tongue. This will relieve the temptation instantly, and has been said to kick the habit within a month. India has set a world record for the largest human flag, formed by 50,000 volunteers. The world's strongest coffee, aka Death Wish coffee, contains 200% more caffeine than a normal cup of coffee. Your brain uses 20% of the total oxygen and blood in your body. Ramayana is the national book of Thailand. Scientists discovered the first known animal that doesn't need oxygen to survive, and it's called Henegia salmonicola. Real diamonds do not show up on X-ray. Kashmiri saffron is the most expensive spice in the world. Chocolate can kill dogs, as it contains theobromine, which affects their heart and nervous system. In Dubai, if you lose, you gain. The government pays the citizens in grams of gold for every kg of body weight they lose. Chinese students can get 3 to 7 years of jail and face penalties for cheating in an exam. Graphene aerogel, the world's lightest material and 7 times lighter than air. The wrinkling of your fingers when they are in water for a prolonged period of time is not because of them being waterlogged, it is actually an automatic nervous system reaction. Thought to be an evolutionary adaptation intended to give your hands better grip in wet conditions. Drinking 1 glass hot water just after waking up increases immunity, blood flow, and gives you a glowing skin. World's oldest dress was found in Egypt and is 5,000 years old. You can increase your height using this acupressure technique. Just exert a little pressure on the pad of your thumb. The pressure should be very gentle. This helps in increasing the flow of energy to your pituitary gland and makes it release growth hormones. A single sperm has 37.5 megabytes of DNA information in it. That means an average ejaculation represents a data transfer of 1,500 terabytes. There is a sleeping lady mountain at Alaska Anchorage 33 miles in northwest. If a frog eats something toxic, it can't vomit the stomach food. Instead, the frog throws up its entire stomach. This is called full gastric aversion. There is a reverse zoo in China that puts the visitors inside cages and allows the animals to roam free. The earliest sewing needles were made of bird bone between 40,000 and 50,000 years ago. It is discovered in Siberia's Denisova cave. World's most expensive pillow. World's most expensive pillow, which costs over 45 lakh. It's a 3D printed pillow filled with 22-karat gold, diamond and sapphire. Snails' teeth are the strongest natural material on Earth, able to withstand pressures high enough to turn carbon into diamond. Your body's red blood cells have a lifespan of approximately 120 days before being replaced. Thank you for watching. If you have any interesting facts to share, please leave them in the comments below.